I got my small vice grips on the 8mm. And this, I think, will help me get in here. There we go. Feels really loose. I can loosen it with my fingers. Okay, there we go. Now that it's loose, it's coming out. Alright, there we go. Same exact as that one. Very cool. These are great vice grips. Watch this. You push this in, and then it releases it. We'll do it over here. Push this in and then squeeze, and it's really easy to unrelease. You don't have to try to pull them apart. You just push this guy and then squeeze, and it pops them right open. Great vice grips. All right, so excellent. That's loose, as you can see now. That's loose. Yeah, see, that's loose now. I'm playing upside down. Sorry, guys. All right. So, yeah, but that's loose. Bingo. All right, good. So, I think all I have to do now is undo these 4 bolts. All right, let's see what happens. She's going to keep rolling because she's the master. This, I think I can put the socket on. Is it there? Yep, there's that one. Oh, see, I can loosen it with my hand. I wish they would make sockets that had like real gnarled edges, you know, so you could grab them with your fingers better. I think that'd be so cool. This one's down here. This is the one that's hard to get to because everything's been bent. So the only way to get to that is with the wrench. So I'll go ahead and do all the others first and leave that for last. I'll tell you, the Gen 1 of this had a fraction of all this stuff. All these air conditioning. I mean, I love air. I live in Vegas. You got to have air conditioning. You really do. But you can tell all this is your power steering and your power brakes. And well, actually, your power steering is actually an electric motor that's mounted right on the steering shaft. So it's not in here. But still, your air conditioning, your compressor, all this stuff is taking up all this room in here. There's so much room in here with the original one. A lot more room. All right, there we go. So that's loose. It's just this last bolt down here that unfortunately I can only get to via this. I just need one that's extra long. No. Yeah. Go ahead and stop recording.